Hello everyone, I'm Debbie. Welcome to page Binti Minjay Arise. Today we all continue to learn lesson 24 about Jesus obey. In this video we can learn 4 words together. So the first word is do not fight. Do not fight. Can spell DONOTFIGHT. Do not fight. Second is do not touch. Do not touch. Can spell DONOTTOUCH. Do not touch. Third is no cheating. No cheating. Can spell NOCHEATING. No cheating. The last word is do not bother me. Do not bother me. Can spell DONOTBOTHERME. Do not bother me. Example: do not fight in the class. Do not fight in the class. Second is don't touch me. Don't touch me. Third is when you have exam, no cheating. When you have exam, no cheating. The last word is don't bother your friend. Don't bother your friend. Repeat after me, please. Do not fight. Do not fight. Second is do not touch. Do not touch. Third is no cheating. No cheating. The last word is do not bother me. Do not bother me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 4 words that we learned and leave it in a comment so that we can have check. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up. If not, we will have correct. If you want to watch full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link above or below. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.